Hello civil engineers, welcome back to the lecture. So now we'll try to find the Chajja quantities. Okay. So before that, for someone who doesn't know what is Chajja, this was your sill concrete we calculated. This was your lintel concrete. We calculated that. Okay. Now you can say this is called a sunshade or Chajja. We need to calculate the concrete quantity for this. So it's very simple. Which shape it is? It is rectangular in shape. If I get the length of this, if I multiply by the breadth of this, and if I multiply by the depth of this, I'll get the total volume, concrete quantity. For shuttering, bottom I need to find out, this side I need to find out, this side I need to find out, something like this. Okay. Something like this. Yeah, this I guess this one will help you. Bottom I need to find, then sides also will put, this side also will put. Finish, your shuttering quantity is done. Now how do you take care of that? For that we'll go back to the drawing. So what I have done, I've written where all windows are coming, and over that what these things are coming, who is that, sunshades are coming. Like what I done, I'll return like W1 windows. Okay. Then sunshade on W window. Then sunshade on W3 window. Then sunshade on W2 window. Sunshade on kitchen window. In this way, I've written. And based on that, I've counted how much kitchen windows are there. Two. If two kitchen windows are there, of course, two chajjas will come. Right. And based on that, I've found the quantity estimation. Okay. So again, I've written in this way. See, ground floor and first floor chajja concrete quantity. Chajja over W window. Okay. What is this W window? I'll show you. This one it is W window. Chajja or W window. So where is your W window? We started from here. W window. Okay. This is my W window. Chajja is coming. Next is Chajja or W1 window. So this is my W1 window. Okay. Chajja or W2 window. Again, my W2 window is here. Got it. Then W3 window. Okay. Then kitchen window. Then Chajja over the ventilator part. So this is V ventilator. V ventilator I have written. Chajja over V1 ventilator. Got it. So in this way, and then Chajja will come on one door part. Here you see, here door is there. This green color is Chajja part. So Chajja over D door. Finish. This much things you need to write. Then you count how many. Then you count how many W1, how many W are there in your building. How many windows are there? W windows. So in my building, W windows there is only one. So one I have written here. Simple. How many W1 windows are there? Again you count W1 one. Okay. Fine. Then again again two. Okay. Then three. And this is fourth one, and this is fifth one. Five W1 windows are there. I've written 5 here. Can you see here? Okay. In this way, try to count everything from the drawing, and you just have to fill it here. Okay. Very simple. This much you understood. Next, we'll go to the next part. After that, the sizes you need to mention. How do you mention the size? See, this W1 window, we have this part, no? Here. For W1, what is the size? 1.8. So this length is 1.8. Height I don't require. Only length I require, W1. So I written here. I mean, W1 window size I've written 1.8 by 1.2, 1.5 by 1.2, 1.2 by 1.20, and so on. And now I'll explain everything in the Excel sheet now. In this way I've written. So first I've written the length portion. Now, length portion, this is 1.8 is length of your window. But Chajja, again, we'll take both sides, 0.15, 0.15 offset we take, and then we put a Chajja. So if you don't understand, I'll go back to the drawing and I'll measure that dimension. Okay. See here what will happen practically. So if I take one Chajja, let us go with this one. See, this is your W1 window, no? This I'll measure from here to here. How much I'm getting? Okay, not this one. I'll measure this one. Okay, this one I measure. See, already I measured it. Kitchen window, it is 1.50. Actually, kitchen window, what was your size? KW, it is 1.20. Okay, in table it was 1.20, but your Chajja portion it is coming 1.50. How? Because these people have added 0.15, 0.15. Okay, see, your window 1.2 is this portion. This is a window portion which will come 1. Okay, it should come 1.2. This is 1.2, but this is 0.15 offset on the right side, 0.15 offset on the left side. 0.12 plus 1.2 plus 0.3 comes out to be 1.5. So I need to consider 1.5 only. Okay, that is how it is. So don't directly consider your window size. Both the side offset will give you the Chajja, this length I got. Now what is the width of your Chajja? What is the width of your Chajja? Okay, Chajja width you will not get in the this thing drawing. You won't get a separate drawing to that or something like this. The schedule is not given. This height is window height. We don't require this. For Chajja, the width you just come and see it is mentioned 0.45. That's it. For all the Chajja, no, it is 0.45. So 0.45 is how much? Roughly 1.5 feet, right? Because 1 feet is 300 mm and another 150 is that. So it is 1.5 feet. Okay. Usually you can follow this in your construction also. You can keep the width of your Chajja sunshade. This width can be 1.5 feet. Okay. This width can be 1.5 feet. Okay. Got it? You got the length, you got the width. What is the depth? Depth usually it is how much, how much I took? Yeah, 100 mm. 4 inch is enough. 4 inch is enough. Your depth of your Chajja is 4 inch. Okay. This depth we usually keep. This depth is 4 inch. Finish. Simple. I got the length. I have the breadth. I'll get the depth. I'll multiply all three. I'll get the concrete quantity in the Chajja. Finish. Just go to Excel sheet. I've already written. Okay. 2.1, 1.8, 1.5, 1.2, 1.5, 1.2, 0.9, 1.2. How did I write this? Again, very simple. This is 1.5. No, you just add 1.5 plus 0.3 is what I've done. 1.5 is the width of your window. 0.13, 0.15, 0.15 is zero point 0.3. So directly I added 0.3 to that. Okay. So width I have taken 0.45 everywhere. Depth I have taken 0.1. Now quantity will be very simple. No? How do you find the quantity? 2.1 into 0.45 into 0.1 will give me 2.650. But in total quantity, make sure you're multiplying quantity into number, because number is there is a variation in the number. That's it. Finish. I got one quantity. I dragged it everywhere. So total my Chajja concrete quantity is almost 42.750 cubic meter. This much concrete is required if I want to do the casting of all my Chajja. Finish. Ground floor, first floor, done and dusted. Now come to the shuttering part. Shuttering, we need a bottom and sides will come. Okay. So bottom is very simple. Length, you multiply this length by the width, you'll get the bottom. For sides, you know that this side, this multiply by depth of your concreting. This side again, same 450 multiply by the depth, you add everything, your shuttering quantity is done. I'll show you for one thing. What you do? Again, same thing. Copy everything from here. Ground floor and concrete quantity, you just have to copy and you have to paste it here. Okay. You just paste it here. And only the changes will cubic meter, you change it to square meter. And now length portion will remain the same. Width portion you keep as it is. Depth also you keep as it is. Come to the shuttering portion. I'll explain here for one shuttering. First, plus, open the bracket. First, you take the length. Length is how much? 2.1. Length, I'll multiply by the width. Width is how much? 0.45. Closed. Okay. So this I'll multiply. Multiply by 0.45. Done. Close the bracket. Length, width, bottom is done. Which is that? This is done. This portion. This portion I found. Okay. This length I took. I multiply this length by width. This was 0.45. This was 1.2. I got the bottom. Now here side also will happen. Anyhow in the image you cannot see, but I require this side, and also on this side also I'll require shuttering. This side also I require shuttering. Okay. This side also shuttering will come. Fine. So how do you find? You want this width. We already know width is 0.45. And what is the depth? Depth is 100 mm, 4 inch I took. Multiply the width by height, you'll get the shuttering quantity of this side. So this side and this side is same. You multiply this answer by 2 times, you'll get both the side. Okay. Got it? So that thing I'm teaching you now. Okay. Fine. And yeah, I don't have an image for that. No problem. We'll do that. It's very simple. Fine. So plus, again bracket open. What I require? Width I require. Width is again 0.45. Height is 0.1. Okay. Okay. Sorry. 0.45 multiply by 0.1. Got it? Length, width. Now I'll multiply this by 2 because 2 side I want, no? So I'll multiply this by 2 and close the bracket, hit the enter button. Done. Okay. Why there is a variation? I think some mistake I did. Let me check out. So F57. Okay. F57. Okay. See, here one mistake I did. This will be multiplied by this one. Okay. Now I should get a correct answer. Yeah. 1.035. 1.035. So this quantity will be 1.035 into 1. Got it? So in this way, 1 if you do, no, rest you just drag it, finish. You'll get the answer in Excel. You don't have to do. If you want, I'll do one more for you. Let me go with this one. 1.5 I'll do. Quickly I'll do in front of you. For this I'll do. I'll do it here only. Simple. Plus open the bracket. This 1.5. Okay. I'll multiply 1.5 by. You just have to imagine. Okay. 1.5 multiply by width. So 0.45. Yeah, okay. Bottom is done. Plus again, open bracket. Again, width I require this time. So width is 0.45. Width I require height. So it is 0.1. This I'll multiply by 2 times. Multiply by 2. Close the bracket. Done. You got the answer. See how much I got. 0.765 I got here. Here also I got 0.765. Done. You just drag everything. All this value add. If you add, you will get 15.930. So total Chajja quantity is 15.930 square meter. Finish. Shuttering is done. Concrete I got 42. Finish. Everything we have taken care of. Still concrete already I explained you. Done. So all these things we have taken care of. Lintel, the Chajja portion and all. Okay. Nothing is left out. Fine. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. We understood about the Chajja quantities. And we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.